A very good morning to all of you. I am life coach Dr. Uttam and I welcome all of you to my video of today, which is called Exercising Safely. Whether you're exercising at home or you're exercising in a gym uh, or with friends or at any other place, there are certain precautions which you need to take before you exercise. So here are 9 precautions which you need to take when you exercise. Number 1, wear clothing that is comfortable and appropriate for the exercise or sport you are undertaking. So, for example, if you are doing yoga, a tight fitting dress is generally expected. Number 2, before you start, do a 5 to 10 minute stretching routine to prepare you for the exercise itself. This is something called as freehand exercises or something to relax your muscles so that when you actually start the exercises, your muscles are prepared for the exercise. Rule number 3, it may be helpful to seek professional advice from a coach, a more experienced person, or manual. I would not suggest that you use a manual. And also, I have been to several gyms, but I have not seen the coaches over there who are knowledgeable enough or who have the right kind of qualifications to guide you on what you should do during the exercises or things to avoid. So I would say that if you have a certain problem, please make sure that you consult your general physician before you start any exercise program. Rule number 4, use protective equipment available for a specific sport. So, for example, if boys are playing cricket, it is very mandatory that they use what is known as a penis guard, because the penis and the testicles are very delicate organs of the male sexual anatomy, and they need to be protected. Again, at the same time, if you are playing cricket, you also need to have a headgear so that you protect your entire head, and so on and so forth for other sports. Rule number 5, make sure that any equipment you use fits, works properly, and is the correct size. Now, this is very important. For example, if you're playing a sport and you're wearing a shoe which is too tight or which is slightly loose, none of it will work or will help you in playing the sport properly. Rule number 6, replace exercise shoes which have become worn or that don't fit properly. So, if your shoes have become torn or if they are overused, it's time to change them and get a fresh and a new pair of shoes. Rule number 7, don't smoke, take alcohol or recreational drugs, or eat before exercising. Any of these could make you feel drowsy or dizzy or reduce coordination, which in turn could lead to an accident or injury. I am somebody who does not endorse smoking, drinking, or recreational drugs at any part of the day, leave alone doing it before the exercising. But as a general rule, even when you exercise, you have to whatever you want to eat at least 1 hour before you exercise, so that your stomach is comparatively empty and you can exercise well. Point number 8, after exercise, cool down with muscle stretches and by continuing to move around for a few minutes to reduce stiffness and soreness. So basically, what I do also after exercises is I just take few steps here and there, and that is how my muscles come to normal. I'm sorry. And the last point, stay warm. A sudden drop in temperature can induce a chill or shock. Now, I have often seen some of people who are my clients, and when they go to a gym after they've worked out, they cover their body with a certain piece of cloth to keep themselves warm, and that is perfectly okay. Do what works for you. And so I hope that next time when you exercise or play a sport, you will follow these rules so as to protect yourself. Thank you.